In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send a campaign in ActiveCampaign. We'll walk through everything from creating the campaign to designing the email, all the way to sending or scheduling it, so you can confidently launch your next email blast. To start, log into your ActiveCampaign account and look over to the left-hand navigation menu. Find and click on Campaigns. This is where all of your email campaigns live. In the top right corner, click the button that says Create a Campaign. This opens up the setup process for a brand new email. First, you'll be asked to name your campaign. Type a campaign name that makes sense for you and your team, something descriptive enough that you'll recognize it later, like a promo or newsletter name. This name is internal, so your contacts won't see it. Next, choose the campaign type. For a typical one-off email send, select Standard. Once you've done that, click Next to move on. Now you'll choose who should receive this campaign. ActiveCampaign will show you your lists. Check the box next to the list or lists you want to send to. If you have multiple lists, be sure you know exactly which audience you're targeting. When you're happy with your selection, click Next. On the next screen, you'll pick how you want to design the email. Choose the Email Designer option. This is the drag-and-drop builder that makes it easy to put together your content without needing to code. After selecting it, click Continue. You'll now see a gallery of templates. Click Select Template on the one that best fits the style and structure you want. You can always customize it later, so focus on picking something close to the layout you need. Next, set up your email's basic details. Enter your subject line, which is what your contacts will see in their inbox. Then add a pre-header, the short preview text that appears next to or below the subject in many email clients. Together, these two fields have a big impact on your open rates, so take a moment to make them clear and compelling. When you're ready, click Continue. Now you're inside the email editor. On the side, you'll see content blocks you can drag and drop into your email. Use these blocks to add text, images, buttons, dividers, and more. Rearrange them until your message is clear and visually appealing. When your content and design look good, click Next. You'll land on the campaign summary page. This is a final review of your settings, list, subject, and design. Scroll to the bottom. Here you can either send now to immediately send the campaign or choose schedule if you want it to go out at a specific date and time. If you schedule, confirm your timing. If you send now, you'll see a confirmation prompt. Click Send now one last time to confirm, and your campaign is on its way. That's the full process for sending a campaign in ActiveCampaign.